All right, welcome back, my people. All right, on to this protest turn rowdy as Yoruba traditionalists storm venue. All right, my people, this is getting more interesting. All right, and then onto this, the Yoruba Nation rally in Lagos has turned rowdy as traditionalists dressed in their white attire stormed the venue of the protest. All right, onto this, the traditionalists, accompanied by other protesters, chanted Oduduwa Nation now, Yoruba Nation now. Security operatives tear gassed the protesters, but the defiant protesters have refused to back down. All right, and then onto this, the traditionalists, while speaking to policemen, urged them to protect them rather than tear gas them. All right, my people, this is not funny at all. All right, and then onto this, the Yoruba Nation agitators have defied heavy police presence. Onto this, they have done that by holding their rally in Lagos State. Okay, and then onto 9 News Nigeria correspondent covering the event reports that the agitators on Saturday stormed the Ganifa Waymi Federal Freedom Park, Ojota, Lagos, where the rally was scheduled to commence. 9 News Nigeria had earlier reported that armed security operatives on Saturday morning took over the venue ahead of the rally slated for 10 a.m. today. However, the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, CP Akim Odumosu, while addressing newsmen at the protest ground a few minutes ago, said Nigerians have the right to peaceful protest. According to him, the security operatives were deployed to the area to ensure that the protest was not hijacked by hoodlums. All right, and my people, a lot of things are actually happening. Are you really sure this is the aim to which they deployed the policemen, so that the protest will not be hijacked by hoodlums? Somebody is telling me that story for the gods, so that they are setting out to pick up Sunday Igboho. That is why they had yelled, don't trust them, don't listen to them, Well, a lot of things are going on in this country. Well, it's not funny at all, my people, because as it is, only God knows what is going to happen to a lot of people after now, if this protest is not being picked up, if it is not being carried out properly, if all this agitation that a lot of people are agitating for are not being done appropriately, my brother, a lot of things will keep going wrong, and this is what we have seen so far. Well, the good Lord will continue to help us. Well, it has been said that people in traditional attire onto this one, they have stormed the protest ground, and then they have said it that no going back. We are no longer we are not going to relent on our effort. Oduduwa Nation now, Oduduwa Nation now. All right, my people, and then as it is, a lot of things are happening, because left to me, my brother, Sunday Igboho himself, somebody has said it that Sunday Igboho is well to do. He has everything. In fact, he's rich, he's wealthy, he's a billionaire. Yet he left that aside to say, okay, I want to fight for my people. Only that alone should show to us, to tell us that this young man you are saying is not after any political gains. I don't know, maybe that is one of the things that is affecting the federal government. That what exactly does he want? Why is it that is disturbing us from carrying out our obligations? And somebody is now asking that what obligation are we talking about? People are dying on a daily basis. Killing, raping, kidnapping, and the worst scenario has been that they still negotiate with these abductors to release these people. They pay them. It has now turned a lucrative business. Now a majority of people have been like, even these negotiators who are to be called terrorists are not called terrorists. Instead, they are going after the people that are fighting for the freedom of their society, for the freedom of their people, and for peace to reign in the land. Yet, they keep arresting such people. Well, I think this is wrong, and the majority of people have said it that, well, as far as this country is concerned, if care is not taken, oh my goodness, the Fulani Caliphate will dominate the whole of the country, and exactly what they are planning to do. That is why somebody like Sunday Igboho had come out that enough is enough. We can't open our eyes and allow you people to keep killing our family members. Oh my goodness, this is so serious that some people don't even know what is going on right now in the country. Some people don't even know why these agitators are saying no, we want to go our separate ways. A lot of things have been programmed wrongly for people, innocent people. Killing of innocent people, we pray it will not emerge as soon as possible, because right now the people that are fighting for a better nation are now being killed. A lot of them are being killed, and some of them have been labeled wanted, and many of them have been labeled terrorists. And we cannot continue like this. That is why a lot of people need to wake up. Sunday Igboho has done his best. Sunday Igboho can say, okay, fine, I am leaving this country, and then you understand what I mean. And then as it is, this set of people will say, okay, we are tired, we want to go and be with our family, and then that settles it. But the problem has been that this young man loves his people, and he is ready to do anything to save the people, to save his people, and exactly what we are talking about. We can't continue like this. People who you are supposed to arrest, you've set them free. They are roaming the streets of Nigeria freely, making more money from kidnaps. Yet the federal government will tell you that this set of people, after they must have been caught, they will tell us that they are repentant Boko Haram. Give them clothes, sew new clothes for them, give them socks, buy them shoe, send them abroad. When they come back, they will be useful for the country. All right, is this what we are talking about? Is it exactly what the federal government wants? And is it exactly what the country will be? And now people have seen it that, oh, this is what they want. Now let's go our separate ways. We are not saying we must stay in the same country with you people. Yes, you can take your Nigeria. Yes, let us go our separate ways. When has that become a problem? When has peaceful protest become a problem? And that is the issue we are having. A majority of people who actually know what to do, they are keeping mute simply because of the peanuts that has been given to them. What a shame, what a country. Oh my goodness. Well, my people, that has been it on this. Majority of things have been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this one, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.